Alright, so I got my anti-wind buffeting covers today, made out of carbon fiber from Extreme Online Store. So these go on the 8-pillar right behind the rearview mirrors, and these are supposed to help with wind buffeting when your windows are down. Alright, as you can see, these are made out of carbon fiber. Got the tape on the back side. Super lightweight, so not adding any weight for what may be a huge benefit. So let's get these installed. Extremely nice but subtle touch. I mean, look how good that looks. Once I get some more carbon fiber on here, you know, that'll really go together well. And that's it. Only took a few minutes to do each side. Looks real clean. Nice carbon fiber touch. And we'll take it for a drive to see how it helps with the buffeting. All right, so I got the anti-wind buffeting covers on, and the buffeting is definitely gone. So I would say the parts work. Doesn't matter if I have one window down, two, halfway down, or whatnot. The buffeting's gone. You know, that helicopter noise you hear when you roll a window down. So great part, great look. Definitely recommend. Check it out.